heavy pulse of the factory. The heat is rising and the value grows. I have the ledger ready in my hand. Watch the transformation begin. From the raw iron to the polished steel, continuous production in a steady stream. The output of the first gate becomes the input for the second. I debit the materials and the labor, adding every overhead to the process account.
Every single coin.
The cost keeps climbing as the liquid pours. This is the rhythm of systematic cost, allocating value to every single stage. From the furnace to the finished crate, I measure the progress by the pound. The steam rises and the weight drops. Some losses expected in the natural heat. Normal loss is absorbed by the good units, making the cost per piece a little higher. But if the loss is strange and sudden, that is abnormal and goes to profit and loss. Value it like a perfect unit. Even an abnormal gain finds its place. Look at the work that is halfway done, neither a ghost nor a finished thing. Work in progress needs a special count. Equivalent units show the hidden truth. FIFO moves the oldest batches first, while weighted average blends the prices whole. Calculation, precision in the heat. The balance must be struck before the whistle blows. I transfer the goods to the next hall, adding a profit with the department's name. But at the year's end, I must be careful to strip away the profit not yet realized. For the garments and the varied items, operation costing is the hybrid choice. Specific paths for every different style. This is the rhythm of systematic cost. From the furnace to the finished crate, I measure the progress by the pound. Nothing is forgotten in my book. The ledger is balanced. The cost is found. Total efficiency. The production is complete.